Wakefield Bus Station. Wakefield Bus Station serves the city of Wakefield, West Yorkshire, England. The bus station is owned and operated by Arriva Yorkshire. It is situated next to Marsh Way A61 and the city's New Market, and can be accessed from both Marsh Way and Union Street. It reopened on 25 September 2001 after being rebuilt with a main passenger concourse and 24 bus stands. Services. The main operators at the bus station are Arriva Yorkshire, Yorkshire Tiger, First West Yorkshire, Stagecoach Yorkshire and National Express coach services also running nationwide from Wakefield. Buses run from the bus station around the Wakefield area and to the nearby towns and cities of Barnsley, Dewsbury, Leeds, Bradford, Huddersfield and Holmfirth. On Sundays, up to 2 Dales bus services per day in the summer season and 1 in the winter link Wakefield with the Yorkshire Dales via Ilkley and Otley to locations including Buckden. The Wakefield Free City Bus, operated by Tetley's, connects the bus station with both the Wakefield Westgate and Kirkgate railway stations, as well as the riding centre.